Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get energy in Temu Hat Trick. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we want to have a daily login. So consistently logging into your account and logging into the app each day can reward you with energy boost. Also completing daily tasks, so engaging with and completing the daily challenges or tasks often grants additional energy. Participating in events, Temu frequently hosts special events that offer energy as rewards for participation or achieving specific milestones. Also inviting friends. So if you refer friends to the program or app, the game can sometimes yield energy bonuses depending on the current referral program. And you can also purchase energy packs. So if you're looking to recharge quickly, consider purchasing energy packs directly through the app.